Breaking news coming in the meanwhile, let's go straight across to it. The breaking news is about Jacqueline Fernandez arriving at the Enforcement Directorate office. The Enforcement Directorate is grilling Jacqueline Fernandez over 200 crore rupees Con-Gate case. ED is questioning Jacqueline over her links with conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Now, after evading the ED, after playing cat and mouse with them, she skipped several summons. Finally, she is now being grilled by the Enforcement Directorate. She has already arrived at the ED office, is what we are picking up. And the ED is grilling Jacqueline Fernandez. Remember, for our viewers who do not know this about this case, much about this case, this is about a case pertaining to Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Sukesh Chandrasekhar happens to be a con artist who is at the moment inside jail, and Jacqueline's link and also Nora Fateh's link over the 200 crore rupees Con-Gate scandal is being probed by the Enforcement Directorate. The financial trail is being probed as well. What they had to do as far as this case is concerned is being probed by the ED. Jacqueline Fernandez previously was also issued ED summons. She ended up skipping those ED summons, but now she's arrived and she's getting grilled. Trouble is mounting for Bollywood actor Jacqueline Fernandez as ED is grilling her in the 200 crore rupees money laundering case. India Today has now accessed the inside details of ED's probes into the extortion scandal. ED suspects that Jacqueline was in touch with conman Sukesh. Here is more.
Bollywood diva Jacqueline Fernandez is making life difficult for herself. The Sri Lankan-born actor has now skipped 4 summons from the Enforcement Directorate, which surely is not going to help her case. The ED appears convinced that the links between Jacqueline and conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar is more than meets the eye. India Today has accessed some inside details from the ED's probe into the 200 crore extortion scandal. ED wants to question the actor to find out if she met Sukesh Chandrasekhar in person while he was out on parole. The agency believes that Jacqueline was very much in touch with the Chennai conman. So why was the actor in contact with a man who has been established and cheated people of crores of rupees? ED is also probing if Jacqueline received money from or on behalf of Sukesh. The agency has ordered Bollywood star to provide her bank account statements. Jacqueline, when she appeared last before the ED on August 30th, claimed that she was a victim of the conman's shady deals. Another Bollywood star, Nora Fateh, is also under the agency's scanner for having connections with Sukesh Chandrasekhar, who is lodged in a Delhi jail. She too had said that she was a victim, a claim that the ED had reportedly rubbished. With Munish Pandey in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.